Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to measure distance on Google Map. So first of all, you need to pin on your location, then go for directions. Now you have to choose your starting location, and if I go for this location from here, now you can see it shows uh, minutes, it shows time and kilometers, and you can see uh, it shows if you go with the vehicles or motorcycles or bus, or if you go for your on your own. So it shows all things or times and kilometers, all things, all distance with time, distance with kilometers. It shows all things. So this is how you can see uh, distance on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.